Assalamualaikum and good days everyone. Today we are going to present our project of data communication and networking subject. Now I will introduce you guys with our team members. First we have Nurina Farzana Binti Azlee, which is me, Muhammad Iskandar bin Norhisham, Muhammad Shakir Zufayri bin Dzulkarnain, and lastly we have Intan Syazliana binti Abdul Latef. First, I'm going to explain how the data travels from the student's PC to the online learning system server. The seventh layer, which is the application layer, will provide protocols that allow the software to communicate and receive information as well as present facts to the user. Students will use the browser to visit the server, which will then send an HTTPS request to the online learning system server.
Okay, so for the presentation layer, this layer works as network translator, compressing and encrypting data to improve data security. This layer will provide the system with the syntax and semantics of the information sent from the student's PC to the online learning system server. And for the session layer allows session establishment, maintenance, and termination, which allow two application processes on different machines to establish, use, and terminate the connection. When students want to access the online learning system server, this layer will authorize the process to communicate over the network by performing security name recognition and logging, which it verifies the username and password of the student if they match the connection established. And for the transport layer, it is responsible for correction control, flow control, and error control. The data is broken down into smaller units, which are segmented through segmentation.
Now, I will be explaining about network layer. In network layer, packets are delivered from the original source to the final destination through the network layer. In our case, students is using another network before being able to connect to Cobham's facilities. This layer allows connection from the student's PC to the server where both have different network. Next, I will be explaining about data link layer. The data link layer packages raw data from the physical layer into frames and ensures that the frames are transmitted successfully. To build frames, it will encapsulate data by adding the source and destination MAC address to the packet header. The MAC addresses are stored on the student's computer network interface card, which is NIC. That's all from me.
The physical layer receives frame from the data link layer and produce bit. With a wireless medium, the bit signals are transferred as a radio wave to the receiver, which is an online learning system server. The experience that our team had discovered when conducting this project. During conducting this project, we got enhanced our understanding about OSI model, learning about how to do the subnetting calculation. Thank you, that's all from us.